If you've got profit on paper but no money in the bank, this is why. It's not your spending, it's your invoice timing. Let me show you a simple tracker that reveals exactly when your cash breaks and how to fix it. You'll see in row 1, we have client, invoice date, due date, paid date, amount, the days late, and the status. With this, we'll be able to track when the invoice was sent, when it's due, and when it actually got paid. The delays are where your cash flow breaks, not your spending. We'll start with some sample data. I went ahead and populated it for us already. The company name, the invoice date, the due date, the paid date, the amount, and then right here in column F, you have a formula where basically this shows how many days late the payment is, and if it hasn't been paid, it'll show how many days overdue it is as of today. So now in column G, we'll go ahead and label each invoice. This lets you filter and sort fast, no guessing. So we'll go ahead and highlight column G, drag it down for as many as you want. Data validation. We'll click add a rule. We want to drop down, and option 1 will be pending. Option 2 will be paid, and then option 3 will be overdue. And that's it. You can click done. After that, we'll go ahead and add some conditional formatting to this column that'll make late invoices stand out instantly. Red will equal overdue. Yellow means give them a call, give them a nudge. And how we'll do that, we'll go to format conditional formatting. We'll go ahead and add a rule which populates. So the first rule we'll do is for overdue payments. So we'll add a custom formula, and we'll just type in the formula if G2 equals overdue. And we'll go ahead and make that red. And then that'll be the first rule. We'll add a second rule. And right here from the same window, we'll go ahead and click add another rule. It'll be a custom formula as well. And in this case, we'll just write the formula equals. And if F2 is greater than 0 and G2 equals pending. And we'll go ahead and make that one yellow. Now that we're done, go ahead and hit done. And this makes late invoices stand out instantly. The red are going to be overdue, and the yellow are going to be need a nudge, give them a phone call, give them a follow-up. So this is where most businesses get blindsided. It's not from expenses, but from slow collection, slow payments. The sheet shows you the exact moment the cash flow breaks. If you like this tracker and you want me to send it to you, comment invoice and we'll send it to you right away. Thanks for watching.